Hey guys, today I'm reviewing the Rabbit Air A2 Purifier that I purchased about a month ago. That was a very thought through purchase for me because it was quite expensive, over $500 with taxes and delivery. But the reason I bought it because the air quality here in Fresno is quite awful, and when I moved here I started having some breathing problems and some allergies. So I definitely wanted to invest in something that would keep my air inside, at least inside, somewhat clean. So I'm gonna go over a couple of features that this purifier has. I had a similar purifier, but I purchased it about 5 years ago. Just their regular purifier, and it worked magic to me. But the previous one had only 3 filters. This one has 5. So let's just quickly go over. This is a power button. Turn it on, and here's the indicator. Right now it's blue. That means that the air is clean. When it increases, the air quality changes, it switches to purple and then to red. And at the same time, the fan speed will rise up as well. So this is an auto mode. And again, in this mode, the air quality is regulated on its own. There's also you can also maintain the fan speed by just switching the speed. You have to take this off auto mode, and here you can, there are several settings: low, medium, high, and I'm sure if you can hear it, and turbo. Okay, I'm going to switch it back to, let's say, low. There's also a pollen option, which switches it to pollen version, I guess. I'm not sure what's the difference, honestly. I haven't seen too much of a difference, but I guess there is some. There's also a light sensor, so when I generally run it at night, so when the lights are off, it switches automatically to a low mode, or almost pretty much silent. You can't hear anything. If you want to maintain the medium or high setting of the fan, you have to take it off auto mode. And this is something I'm not really a big fan. In the previous air purifier that I used of the same brand, it was not the case. So at night, you could run it on auto mode, and the fan level will switch up and down as the air quality changes. Here, it's not the case. So this is probably the first negative that I can say about this purifier. And really, this is the only one, to be honest with you. So another thing what I want to show you is the air filters. Okay, now on to the air filters. To remove the front panel, you just lift it from the bottom. It has like some sort of magnets, and just lift it up. Very simple. And it has 5 filters. Mechanical filter, and this you should vacuum. The instruction says on a monthly basis. There's also this filter. I'm not sure what they're called, honestly, but it's quite thick. Then the main part is a HEPA filter. It all comes in this casing. So the HEPA filter, right over here, and then we have this is a specific for this particular type of purifier, and this is a toxin absorber filter, and there are different types. There are allergy absorber or allergy something, and I think there are 4 different types. So I'm not really exactly sure what this is doing, but okay. And then another thing is charcoal filter, which absorbs your odors. And one thing that I was really stupid to do in the past with my previous purifier, in the beginning it advertised that the filters could be washable. So hey, why didn't I decide to wash the charcoal filter as well? It stunk so bad. So don't wash any of your filters except for the front one. You can wash the front one, which is the mechanical one. But really the instruction says you should just vacuum it. And then there's the fan over here. So guys, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to submit it in the comment section.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.